So, I love hiking. I love exercising. I love looking at my shadow. I love nature. Want to see the owls? Let's look at the owls. Let's get the owls. See the owl looking at me? And pull it closer. Okay, now I got to find where did he go. Let me find him first. And then I'll pull it closer. Once I find him. Okay. Because he's hiding. See that hole there? He's in that hole right there. See him? See him? Woo! You see? 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 You saw that? Woo! Woo. You see that? I love nature. Woo! 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 You see that? Wait, see him? Let me go in the front. Wait a minute. Right there. Woo! 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 See that? I'm not gonna do that no more. He might think I'm a girl, or she may think I'm a boy. Can't do that anymore. But I love nature. Owls. That's the owl nesting. See? The owl nesting.